Hello everybody! Today for science we are going to play with Santa's Magic Milk. Alright, so what you're going to need some whole milk, some Dawn dish soap. I put this into a little container so I can dip my Q-tips into it a little easier. You're also going to need food coloring and cookie cutters, okay? And a shallow dish to hold the milk and the cookie cutters. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it down. That way you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is fill your dish with milk. I'm going to bring this up so that way it doesn't make a giant mess, because I am prone to messes. Ah! See, like I said, prone to messes. Alright, so that's pretty full. I'm going to put the lid back on because otherwise I would knock it over. Alright, now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some cookie cutters. Okay, I'm going to add in the Christmas tree because it's big. Now these big ones I can only have one of, so I'm going to add in the Christmas tree. And then I'm going to use the bell for my second one because there's some space up here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add food coloring to the milk. So inside the tree and the bell I'm going to use green. Okay, so I'm going to put a couple drops of green, just kind of in here. I think that'll be enough, and I'm going to put one inside the bell. Alright, and now I'm going to add some red. Okay, so got one there, and there, and we'll just add a couple. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, now that you've got your food coloring, you're going to take a Q-tip. You're going to dip it in your soap, okay, and you're going to put it onto the food coloring in the milk, and watch what happens. You ready? Here we go again. And it spreads it around. It makes it like it's tie-dye. And here we go for this one. It makes a big old starburst there. Alright, so that's what happens with the green. Now let's see what happens with the red. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Ready? Boom. Boom. Here's another one. And there's one. Ooh, that one's a big one. That one kind of took over, and that's okay. That happens. It's going to move it around a little bit. It's going to move around that color, and that is a-okay. Alright, so that is how you do Santa's Magic Milk. I hope you guys can try this out with your own milk and cookie cutters. And I hope you all have a wonderful day.